While travelling around Australia, I'm always on the lookout for some beautiful, unique places to visit, and I found this little place just outside of Bathurst at Blayney. It's a wind farm, dam and campground. Real nice little gem. While I was filming this with the drone, I had 3 eagles following above. They got fairly close to the drone at one stage, but they left it alone and were just more inquisitive about what it was, I think. So on the top of the hills there you can see the wind turbines. There's 15 of them at this location. Then the beautiful blue lake below, and to the right hand side you can see the campground, and beyond that is the dam wall. So now we're approaching the car park to the viewing platform, and the information on the boards of what the wind farm's about and what it outputs, and just in front of that is the campground. Yeah, so I'll definitely be back to this location. I didn't have time to stay overnight because I was on my way to Cowra, but yeah, beautiful spot. Spend a night.